In a laboratory, a split screen illuminates the astonishing resemblance between human and koala fingerprints. On screen, the stark revelation: remarkable similarity. Human versus koala challenges our understanding of nature's designs. The narrator observes, "The near-identical patterns are truly astonishing, underscoring the bewildering reality presented before us." Under the blazing sun of the Australian outback, nature unveils its ingenious mimicry through vibrant animations illustrating the concept of convergent evolution. The screen proclaims, "Convergent evolution, nature's copycat," underscoring the remarkable phenomenon of independent species mirroring each other's adaptations. In the heart of the museum exhibit, a placard boldly proclaims, "Koala fingerprints, an evolutionary anomaly." The sign highlights the significance of this independent development, a testament to nature's boundless creativity and its capacity for breathtaking innovation.